Where is Mom?
She's in the kitchen.
Where is Dad?
He's at work.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, 2 brothers.
Do you have sisters?
Yes, 1 sister.
Who is your best friend?
My cousin.
What's your mother's name?
Her name is Maria.
What's your father's name?
His name is David.
Are your parents home?
No, not yet.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
Do you have children?
Yes, 2 kids.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I do.
Where is your room?
On the 2nd floor.
Is your room clean?
Yes, it is.
What's in the fridge?
Milk and eggs.
Do you have pets?
Yes, a dog.
What's your pet's name?
His name is Max.
Can you help me clean?
Yes, I'll help.
Where are the keys?
On the sofa.
Is dinner ready?
Yes, come eat.
Where do you study?
I study at university.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
Do you have homework?
Yes, a lot.
Is the test easy?
No, it's hard.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Smith.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
What time is class?
At 9 a.m.
Where is the library?
Next to the cafeteria.
Do you read books?
Yes, every day.
Do you like math?
Not really.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
What's your job?
I'm a doctor.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
What time do you start work?
At 8 o'clock.
What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Johnson.
Are you busy at work?
Yes, very busy.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they're nice.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you sick?
Yes, I have a cold.
Do you need a doctor?
Yes, I do.
What's the problem?
I have a headache.
Are you tired?
Yes, very tired.
Do you need to rest?
Yes, I do.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Are you sad?
A little bit.
Are you angry?
No, I'm calm.
Are you scared?
Yes, I am.
Do you exercise?
Yes, every morning.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Are you strong?
Yes, a little.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 7 hours.
Do you take medicine?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better.
Do you need water?
Yes, please.
Do you feel cold?
Yes, a little.
What do you do for fun?
I watch movies.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love it.
What's your hobby?
Playing guitar.
Do you play games?
Yes, video games.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you sing?
A little bit.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, every night.
What do you watch?
I watch comedies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, action movies.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite is Titanic.
Do you like music?
Yes, all kinds.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, the piano.
Do you draw?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, very much.
Do you travel often?
Yes, once a year.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I love it.
Do you go fishing?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, very much.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Can you open the window?
Yes, of course.
Can you close the door?
Yes, no problem.
Can you turn on the light?
Sure.
Can you turn off the TV?
Yes, right now.
Where's the bank?
It's next to the post office.
Where's the hospital?
On Green Street.
Where is the school?
Across from the park.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, here you go.
Can you call me later?
Sure, I will.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is here.
Can you help me, please?
Of course.
Can you show me?
Yes, look here.
Do you have time now?
Yes, a little.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
What do you mean?
I mean tomorrow.
What's happening?
Nothing special.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
What's the matter?
I'm just tired.
See you tomorrow.
See you.